In this video, I want to cover a script that's available for 3D Coat in the area of ghosting. There are features for ghosting that will allow you to quickly ghost practically everything in the scene and then quickly unghost that, but it's somewhat limited. For example, if I wanted to ghost everything, even though I have a sublayer selected, I could go to the Geometry menu under Visibility Ghosting. You have these options here where I can ghost this individual layer, or I can hit Shift-G to ghost everything but what is selected. I hit Shift-G again to toggle out of ghosting. Now, what you can do is select a parent layer that doesn't have any geometry assigned to it and do the same thing. It will ghost everything. Then, when you hit Shift-G again, it toggles ghosting off. However, let's say you ghost a number of individual layers and child layers throughout your scene. I'm clicking on this second icon. And you want to unghost everything. If I hit Shift-G now, it will ghost everything, hit it once again, and it will simply return to the previous state. That means I'll have to go in individually and unghost all these individual layers. So if you have dozens and dozens of layers in the scene, this can be time consuming. So within the comment section, I'm going to provide a link to this script, and all you do is copy the text file and the XML file within the zip folder to the specified location in the comment section. And when you launch 3D Coat, you can simply go to the Geometry menu and click Unghost. If you prefer, you can add a hotkey to this. So I'll just go ahead and click on this. And it automatically goes through and does all that unghosting for you. So that's a quick look at the UnGhost All script for 3D Coat. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.